Japanese traditional style house. It has two-story and then located in central Kyoto city, which is very close to main shrine or temple, and which is very famous in the worldwide. So we can say here as one of the big city and also one of the traditional city in Japan. This is gonna be good your second house when you try to take vacation in Japan. So rather than stay hotel, you can enjoy more longer stay, and I will introduce all completed amenities like kitchen and bathroom and bedroom, living room for your stay or for your life in Japan. So let's go to see.
There is a long counter table. Looks like a good place to alcohol side by side. Let's go see. What is this? There's something on the wall. This seems to be an art wall. The orange color gives a bright image to the entire room. This is the kitchen. Let's look at the whole thing. It's a big, clean kitchen. And that was. Each stove is attached. It is made in Japan and has many features. This is in Japan. It is used to bake fish. A microwave and refrigerator are also included. Let's take a look at the bathrooms that Japanese people like to use. The bathtub is Japanese style. It seems to be deep. Of course, there are toilets and washing machines. The living room looks like a mixture of old Japan and today's Japan. There is a second floor. Let's take a look. There seem to be 2 rooms on the second floor. I found Ezo Samurai, a property guide in Kyoto. There are 2 bedrooms. This property is recommended for families. The second floor has a calm atmosphere with cool colors. It's relaxing. It's the art wall from earlier. I wonder what the view from the top is like.
南国侍グッドボタン、チャンネル登録よろしくお願いいたします。